Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dodge Challenger window. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove the door panel carefully to expose the regulator and glass mounting points. Support the glass before loosening bolts to prevent dropping it. Inspect the regulator and tracks for damage and replace worn clips. Test the mechanism manually before reassembling the door panel and reconnect. Begin by locating and removing all screws and clips holding the door panel, keeping them in a labeled container. Use a trim pry tool to gently release plastic retainers without cracking them. Lower the glass a few inches to access the regulator bolts and support the glass with tape or a block. Disconnect the wiring harness for switches and speakers to free the panel. Set the panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scratch. With the door panel off, support the glass and remove the bolts attaching it to the regulator, then carefully lift the glass out. If the regulator is worn or damaged, unbolt it and install the new unit, aligning it to the factory mounting points. Slide the new glass into the tracks and secure it to the regulator, making sure it moves smoothly. Lubricate the tracks with silicone spray and check alignment before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.